this Twinses. Welcome back to another video. Now, as you all know, Mumbai is one of the most expensive cities in the entire world. Yes, and we were very lucky enough to be living here in Mumbai. But I know for a fact that बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे specifically पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं. They come here to find jobs and overall lifestyle यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा it's on the higher end. Yes, मतलब जब मैं फर्स्ट डे कॉलेज गई थी, I was so surprised to see so many people who are living around in different states of India coming here just to study. It was bizarre because I have lived here my whole life. Yeah, and मुझे ऐसे कुछ expected नहीं था. But then I later talked to them and I got to know why they chose Mumbai and why they chose a particular college. And yeah, हम तो मुंबई में ही रहते हैं. But we asked a few people who specifically came here to study about what their cost of living was. Yes, cost of living, lifestyle, आपको सब कुछ के बारे में इस वीडियो में पता चल जाएगा. So if you're a student who is planning to come to Mumbai या फिर आप पहले ही मुंबई में रह रहे हो तो आपको recommendations और ये सब भी पता चल जाएगा. This video is apt for you. Stay tuned till the end and let's go.
Hi, this is Ashmita. I'm a final year student of BMM from St. Andrews College. So why basically Bombay? क्योंकि Bombay ही सब कुछ है. Like Bombay has the best of everything. Weather ले लो, food ले लो. Honestly, technically Delhi से हूँ, but Bombay का food still has my heart. The vada pav, best part. The beaches there, the weather there, the people there. Bombay is the best, like the best. Bombay के बारे में सब special है. Bombay is special. Bombay itself is such a gem. बचपन से सुनती आ रही हूँ, like Bombay मेरी जान, Mumbai मेरी जान. What is so special? I always used to think. जब मैं आई तब पता चला बॉम्बे खुद एक इतना बड़ा जेम है. लाइक यू कैन डिस्क्राइब इट इन वर्ड्स. यू कैन नेवर डू दैट. अब जब रहने की बात आती है, बॉम्बे में घर ढूंढना वाज लाइक अ बिग 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 टास्क. बैंड्रा में मेरा कॉलेज था एंड ऑल द वे इट टुक मी डाउन टू बोरीवली टू गो एंड स्टे देयर. बट यस, इट्स वर्थ इट. लाइक जो डिसीजन लिया था मैंने, जो पीजी मिला मुझे वहाँ पे, सच लवली पीपल, द पीजी ओनर वाज द बेस्ट. सब कुछ इतना प्यारा है वहाँ पे. लाइक I seriously love, like I love my people with whom I'm staying right now. They are the best. PG में जो लोग हैं, वहाँ पे जो environment है, beach भी बहुत पास है. Like beaches are the best part of Mumbai. I would rather say that. तो मतलब I am a beach person, तो yeah. So basically yeah. But yeah, rent की बात आती है, it's pretty like this one is affordable. But honestly, Bombay में अगर ऐसा कुछ मिलना है, थोड़ी दिक्कत आ सकती है. I am right now paying 7.5 per month. तो उसमें फिर अलग से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाला वगैरह अलग से देना पड़ता है. बट द बेसिक रेंट इज 7.5. या एंड फूड का जहाँ तक एज फार एज इट्स कंसर्न, फूड का आई हैव टू लाइक ऑन अ डेली बेसिस मोर देन 100 में अराउंड हो जाता है. लाइक बिकॉज आई एम कुकिंग माई सेल्फ, तो फूड का मेरा हो जाता है सॉर्टेड. ओके, एज फार एज ट्रैवलिंग इज कंसर्न नाउ, बॉम्बे में ट्रैवल करना इज प्रीटी चीप. टिकट कितने की? 5 रुपीज, 10 रुपीज, दैट्स ऑल. बट स्टिल बिकॉज आई एम अ पर्सन फ्रॉम दिल्ली, दिल्ली में मेट्रोज होते हैं, एसी होता है उसमें. लोकल में बस वो है कि एसी नहीं है, बट लोकल की जो वाइब्स हैं, द काइंड ऑफ पीपल यू गेट देयर, सुबह सुबह सब भजन कर रहे होते हैं या फिर दे आर प्लेइंग सम इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, रैंडम थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग हियर एंड देयर. यू फील लाइक पूरी दुनिया लोकल ट्रेन में समा गई. दैट इज द थिंग. लाइक वाओ, आई वाज सो अमेज्ड. व्हाट माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ट्रैवल में लोकल ट्रेन से चलते हुए ट्रेन से गिर गई हूँ. दैट इज माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस टू बी ऑनेस्ट. But yeah, it was quite fun. I had a lot. I really have like a lot of good people surrounded with me. मेरा हर experience इतना special होता है मेरे लिए. I love the travel part of Bombay is the best. Like local trains have my heart. Entire Bombay has my heart. Yeah. Overall अगर आप एक month में देखोगे in Bombay itself, it somewhere goes above 10 to 12,000 मेरा per month जाता है. That includes my ट्रैवल एक्सपेंस, लिविंग एक्सपेंस, मिसलेनियस थिंग्स, जितना भी जाता है मेरा ऑलमोस्ट उतना चला ही जाता है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं जाता. बट 10 to 12 इज लाइक द मिनिमम दैट यू हैव टू टेक व्हेन यू आर लाइक प्लानिंग टू गो फॉर बॉम्बे. तो एक्सपेंस में वही है, बट ज्यादा ट्रैवलिंग में पैसे नहीं लगते, लोकल में कम है. खाना भी बहुत चीप होता है यहाँ पे. रेंट वुड बी अ बिग थिंग आई वुड से, बट yeah, बाकी all is sorted. Doing anything in Bombay is worth it. कुछ भी करो, Bombay is worth everything. Bombay is worth your entire lifetime, like entire thing. Bombay is worth your expense. Bombay is worth your experience. Bombay is worth your living. Bombay is worth your breathing. Bombay is everything. Obviously, वहाँ जाके जो exposure मिला है, जिस टाइप के लोगों से मिले, जो culture से मिले, जो environment से मिली हूँ, कुछ भी compare करो पर वो मुझे कहीं और नहीं मिलने वाला. Like literally, Bombay has my heart.
Hi guys, my name is Nandini and I'm 21 years old. I am from Dehradun but I pursued my graduation degree from St. Andrews College, Mumbai. Yes. you heard that right. I get to answer this question a lot, that why did I pursue a degree in Bombay or Mumbai when I could have done it from Dehradun itself. Well, the reason is very simple. Like how they say Bombay or Mumbai is the city of dreams. I actually believed in my dreams and I wanted to pursue a career specifically in journalism, considering the amount of facts and amount of news I would get in Bombay or in Mumbai rather than there. So yeah, I think that's pretty much simple. Where did I stay in Mumbai and how much did I pay? I stayed in Bandra. I know. Bandra is like, the only reason why I stayed in Bandra was just because the college was next to the hostel. I stayed in Manuel Gonzalez hostel, which is just next to the college. So that was a plus point for me because I used to see a lot of friends जो ट्रेन में धक्के खा के सुबह 6 बजे की लोकल पकड़ के आते थे, and I used to just go for a 7:30 lecture. So just wake up at 7:15 and just be there on time. So yeah, that was my superpower. And about the cost, well, we had to pay a lump sum amount, but मैं 12,000 per month देती थी. How much did I spend on the food? See, the thing is, when you are a newcomer and you want to explore more and you're a foodie, you definitely leave the hostel wali pani ki dal and moti jali hui roti. So definitely I've spent so much on food, I can't even count on. Miscellaneous खर्चा जो होता है वो क्यों होता है? तो consequences ये होते थे कि भले ही you are saving on your auto, your rickshaw, your train, but in the end of the day you're next to McDonald's and you're next to PVR and you're next to Hill Road also. So I think Hill Road is the consequence of Bandra. I used to spend a lot of money on clothes. It's just like Haryali for me. Is starting in Mumbai worth it or not? Definitely is worth it because it gives you better prospects, it gives you great opportunities, and it's a lot of fun, guys. I mean, as first timer, I used to go out, I used to learn also. So guys, don't forget your aims, but definitely if you are aiming for Bombay, if you're aiming for the city of dreams, it's totally worth it. Trust me, जब आप काउंट करते हो तो इतना ज़्यादा नहीं आता है, and you can get internships, you can actually get placements with your bachelor's. So definitely there's a lot of scope rather than studying in a different city, because Mumbai is like a hub of most media houses, most finance houses, most importantly, I mean, if you're talking about journalism, definitely there's so much scope here because it's a center of all these attracted academies and media houses. So definitely it's worth it, and guys, love the fact that you actually are aiming for Mumbai, because nothing like Mumbai, definitely. So chill maro ya, good luck.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. We hope this video helped you all, and let us know in the comments if you are already a student in Mumbai or if you're planning to come here to study. आपका क्या प्लान है? And hope ये वीडियो आप सबको पसंद आए and ये यूजफुल रही हो. Like, share, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. We'll see you with another video then. Bye.